looks like a regular balloon. And you could just tie a string and it could, like, fly.
Oh my God, you're so funny. Sobrang nakakatawa ka, swear.
It's a regular balloon.
What is can again?
Dilata.
Mo, please.
Can. Dilata. Lata.
Lata.
Pero,
Latahin.
I don't think anyone says that though. Dilata.
Dilata?
Kunin mo yung dilata. My mom says dilata. I've never heard anything else. Maari. Makaalis. My dad says this.
Makaalis.
Makaalis.
Maaalis.
Tatlong A's,
Whoa,
man.
can. Is maaari?
Maaari.
Possible, Possible, right?
Maaari.
Okay.
Maaari tumuan.
Can you say maaari mo yan? No. No, I don't think so. Kaya mo yan lang.
Kaya mo yan. Mas mainam, kaya mo yan. Maaari is, iba. Maaari ibuksan mo na. Maaari.
Kinendi.
Saan?
Candied. Kinendi. Ginawang candy.
Ginawang candy. Kinendi. Yeah, kinendi.
Kinendi yung...
Candied. Kinendi. Yung
saging. Or,
kinendi. Yung...
apple.
Saging. Yung mansanas. Kinendi yung mansanas.
Kinendi at Kinendi.
Cane. Tungkod. Baston.
Canalculus.
Kodak.
I know, right? That's so funny. I saw that kanina. How do you say camera in Tagalog? Kodak. Or camera?
Camera. Kunin mo yung camera. Yeah.
Kunin mo yung camera. Cannabis? Whoa. Alam mo, ibig sabihin ng cannabis?
Hindi. Anong cannabis?
Wala. Hindi ko alam.
Cannabis.
Calvary. Calvario. That's a nice big word. Calvario. Cameraman. How do you say cameraman? Cameraman. Or fotograpo.
I don't even know some of these English words.
Like, would you know how to say calendar already? Or no? Well,
Calendar?
calendario, but this one is satinador.
Satinador.
Makinang pipisan. Wow. Makinang pipisan. Calendar. Makinang pipisan. You don't understand everything Big Brother says, minsan? Or...
Halos lahat.
Talaga?
Yeah, halos lahat. Kung hindi ko inintindihan, sinasabi ko, Big Brother, pwede ulitin mo kasi hindi ko naintindihan yung word. Pero, bihira.
Big Brother, pwedeng ulitin mo.
Big Brother,
pwedeng daan-daan yung...
Pagsalita. Not pagsasalita. I don't know. Not pagsasalita.
Pagsasalita or
Pagsalita.
Pagsalita. No.